step 2, I guess, which is just preparing the water for our Kratky pots. Now this is a completely optional step depending on the crop that you're growing. If you have a crop that's like a fruit-bearing crop or like tomatoes or something like that, you're going to want to do this part. However, if you're just growing lettuce or something that's just like a single harvest, you don't have to do this. Now what you want to do is you want to get yourself a food-grade 5-gallon bucket, fill it up to the 5-gallon mark, and then with the link down in the description you can get this particular nutrient blend. That's 3 different parts. You got yourself the just a main blend here, and then you also have yourself some calcium nitrate, and then magnesium sulfate, or just basically Epsom salt. And this one has the directions right on the label. So basically all you do is you just take your jar here and you get your little teaspoon measuring spoon, and you just want to get 2 of these per 5 gallons. You just go ahead and put these in. Okay, and so once we get those in, we're just going to do a nice little stir, kind of mix it in. Okay, really pretty straightforward. It's not very complicated. You just want to get it nice and dissolved, and then what you're going to do is just take the next one, your calcium nitrate, and again 2 teaspoons of these. These kind of look like little packing foam balls. It's kind of funny. You just get 2 teaspoons of those, put those in there. Okay, and then finally you got your 2 teaspoons of your Epsom salt. Okay, this is like little crystals. So you just put these in there, and there we go. You don't have to be too careful. If it's like a little bit more, a little bit less than a teaspoon, that's fine. Some plants might be a little more sensitive to that, so if you're doing some type of special plant, you might want to look into that. But just for general tomatoes and stuff like that, that's fine. So you just give it a good stir, and there you go. That's all your water. And then in the next portion, we'll probably show you how to move the pods over to the pots or to the jars. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.